Hi class, I'm back to show you an example using a do-while loop now. So we're going to have the user guess a number between 1 and 10, and there was a secret number generated by the program. And you're going to give them a hint if their answer was too high or too low, and then you're also going to keep track of how many guesses it took and output that at the end. Yes, so here I've already defined my input. So now I'm going to generate the secret number. So I'm going to call it secret. Again, meaningful variable name. I'm going to say new random. If it was ever a quiz, I would give you that. I wouldn't expect you to memorize how to generate a random number. I'll say next int. And if I put in the brackets 10, it's going to generate a number between 0 and 9. So since I want 1 to 10, I'm simply going to shift it. So I'm going to add 1. Make a transformation. Yes. And I'm going to have here int guess, which we don't have yet. Now I'm going to say do. So this is what the do while loop looks like. So when I had you fill out the survey yesterday, I did give some suggestions. So let's have do, open curly bracket, then we have a closing curly bracket with a do while loop, the Boolean conditions at the end. So here I'm going to say while the guess is not equal to the secret number. And you need the semicolon at the end. Again, here I should also import random. So I just hang my mouse over that, import random. And then here, I'm going to ask them, enter your guess. So enter your guess from 1 to 10. And I also need another variable up here to keep track of how many guesses. And initially they haven't guessed at all. So I get their guess, integer.parseInt, input dot next line, and I'm going to immediately, since it was a guess, I add 1 to the number of guesses. And then I'm going to say, have an if statement in here. So if guess is less than secret, I'm going to output that their guess was too low. Guess was too low. Oops. And then I'm going to have an else if. I'm not going to put an else because I'm not putting a condition if they get it right. So I'm going to say if guess is greater than secret, then I'm going to say oops, guess was too high. And now, so basically, I only need one system.out print line, not like the previous while loop example. And if it's not, if these are equal, that means this Boolean condition fails and we'll leave. So then I can output, congratulations, right, congratulations, you got it. You got it in, I got it. And then I can say, oops, my language just switched. It took you, and since we kept track of the number of guesses, I can say took you num guesses. That's it. So now we're going to test it. So I'm going to run it. Enter your guess. I put in 5. My guess was too low, so then I know it's between 6 and 10. So if I put in 8, my guess was still too low. So put in 9. Congratulations, you got it. It took you 3 guesses. So try it out, and what's not in here is a restriction, checking to make sure their guess was between 1 and 10. Don't worry about that. It wouldn't be required. Okay.